So hi everyone. So this is our demo video for Lab 10. So basically, in Lab 10 we were given files which we had to fill in, like the ENV file where we needed to fill in our um was it our LLM API key, as well as we needed to connect to our SQL database. As you could see, we connected it, and this SQL database is needed to save the user and the password, as well as the messages from past conversations, so that we could have some context when we introduce like on the next day if we chat again. And so yeah, basically all the files were given to us, and the main thing we needed to provide was the LLM API key and connect to the SQL database. So this is the code. And yeah, so this is the code, and now I'll just show you the website where the group chat is created. I'll just log out. So yeah, this is the group chat. And as you could see, a username Steve, and the password is already created. So we're just gonna log in. And this is just a past conversation. We were just checking out to see if the LM works, and it does. So the LM we used was OpenAI because we thought that gives the most accurate answers compared to Llama. And so we just started a conversation with multiple users logged in. So I feel hungry, I'm hungry too. What should we order? And as the lab states, if you put a question mark at the end of a message, then the LLM bot will jump in and answer it. So that's why after the user Niru asks what should we order, the LLM jumps in and says, "Hey, are you in a mood of pizza, sushi?" And so yeah, then another user, Steve, says something. So yeah, multiple users could use this. And initially, we just used a general OpenAI bot that's just giving generalized answers. But then we connected it to the bot that we used in Lab 9. That was just a RAG model trained only on the ads cookbook. And so basically now we started asking questions related to the cookbook. So what is our system design? And so LM jumps in because there's a question mark at the end, and also states the sources, which pages this is present in. And then if we ask what is 1 plus 2, it says I don't know, because that's how the model we trained it in the Lab 9, that if it's nothing to do with the ads cookbook, it will just say I don't know. So yeah, it's working. And like we could ask a question. Let's see. We have some pre-questions.
Mm-hmm.
So what are the parameters used in Power Amplify Design Case Study? Okay. Okay, I don't know why it's coming 5 times. I think maybe I have it 5 times open, but not sure. Okay, I think it's about. But yeah, it's answering the parameters used. And sources is 85 and 86, which I think is correct, right, Steve?
Yeah, it is A5 and 8.
Yeah. So it is answering. And so, and
Mm.
so, yeah, and I'll just show you how multiple users can use it.
Mhm.
So now there were two parts to the lab. One was the website, and the other one was the Android emulator. So this is the Android Studio that we downloaded. And wait. As you could see, this is the Android emulator. And let me just run it. Just run it. Yips is running. And as you could see, the question that we just asked from Steve, what is the parameters used in Power Amplify design, has come in our chat as well. And the LM has responded. Now I could again ask another question. Let's say, what is the design of an MEMS shunt switch? And so this user of this Android app is called Near. And so yeah, and see the LM bot response an answer where the sources are 100, 104, which I think are correct as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I just wanted to show that, yeah, multiple users can use it. As you saw in the website, Steve was using it, and then when we came to this Android emulator, so Near was using it, and so multiple users can use it. So it is a group chat, and our LM as well is answering correctly.
Hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we found this lab to be really helpful because we do plan on implementing something similar in our final project. But obviously, what we do in our final project will be a little bit more robust, and the domain is going to be more about event planning and party planning. Um, but it was really cool to see how we could put this on the Android emulator and also on the desktop version. And yeah,
Yep.
yeah, I think that's all from us then.
Yeah, it's a really short.
Really short demo and lab. Um, Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.